Have you ever felt stuck? Like you're carrying around old habits, beliefs, or situations that no longer serve you? If you're nodding your head, you're not alone. That's exactly why 2025 is the year of the reboot in our community. It's time to refresh, recharge, and rebuild. So, what is a reboot? Think of your life as a computer when it's running slow or when glitches start to pile up. What do? You hit the reset button, right? That's a reboot, a fresh start. A reboot is a conscious decision to let go of the limits that hold you back and create space for growth, success, and transformation. A reboot can solve so much more than you might think. So let me break it down. So it can solve limiting thoughts and beliefs, those little voices that say, you can't do this or you're not good enough. A reboot shuts them down and rewires your mindset. Old habits and standards. If your routines and expectations aren't serving your goals, it's time for an upgrade. Relationships that drain you. A reboot empowers you to set boundaries and focus on connections that uplift you. Your sense of self worth. Rebuilding starts with knowing your value, and a reboot helps you see just how capable you truly are. And even your dreams. Maybe you've put them on the back burner, but a reboot brings them front and center for you. So, in our business community, a reboot is more than just a concept, it's a system, a proven step by step process that empowers you to take control of your life and create financial freedom, flexibility, and fulfillment. Whether you're starting over like I did after loss, looking to escape the 9 to 5 grind, or just wanting to rebuild your confidence, our community provides tools, mentorship, and support to make it happen. You see, I know this very well because I've been there. I rebooted my life after feeling stuck and uncertain about the future after losing my spouse. This digital business gave me the clarity and confidence to turn my challenges and opportunities into opportunities. And now I help others do the same, start their very own digital business. So let me ask you, what do you need to reboot? Your mindset, your habits, your dreams, whatever it is, now is the time. Join me on this journey. Let's reboot together in 2025. If you're ready, click on my website, watch our complimentary workshop, or drop me a message so that you can to learn more. The power to change your life is in your hands. So why not? Let's start today. Remember, the best time to start over is right now. The world is waiting for the best version of you. Let's hit that reset button and make this year your year of transformation.